National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Delaware County until 10:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced very heavy rain across the warned area. As much as 1.5 inches of rain has fallen since 6:30 p.m., with heavy rain continuing to fall with another 1 to 1.5 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that could experience flooding include Delaware, Radnor, and Ashley. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.